Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jeff with Gameday Legends. Sorry I didn't upload my second video yesterday. We were super exhausted from the Dallas Card Show. We had a great time. We got tons of videos. I'm going to be editing in that tonight and tomorrow. Thursday and Wednesday night, we'll have a Dallas Card Show video. Tonight, me and Miss Gameday are going to do our reveal of what we picked up. We picked up a lot of cool stuff, a lot of off-the-wall stuff. Picked up something for her best friend's daughter. And yeah, with that being said, we got retro part 2 of NBA hoops. Let's get it going. I got 9 packs ready to go. We are searching for Mr. Michael Jordan. We're looking for that short print of David Robinson on draft day. Oh, boom, baby. Look at that right off the bat. Man, that is super awesome. Let's go. Dang. All right. On the board. We'll take it. Karl Malone right after him. Boom. Let's go. Kevin Johnson with the Phoenix Suns. Let's go. Man, this is awesome. All right. We got Dana Barrows. We got Jeff Hornacek. Man, this is sweet. Why is this card backwards? Sorry about that. We got Bill Musselman, coach for the Timberwolves. Put coaches right there. Man, I'm so excited with that Jordan and Karl Malone right off the bat. Dave Hoppin. Hoppin, baby. Rod Strickland. Let's go. Craig Elo. We got Jerome Lane. Johnny Dawkins. We got Tom Chambers. Sorry about that. That's my boxer making all that noise in the background. David Wingate and Danny Young and Eddie Lee Wilkins. Let's go. That was super awesome pack. All right, second pack. We're just going to fly through this because it's got 9 packs, 8 more packs to go. We're doing 9 today. All right, we got Ricky Pierce. All right, we got Chris Mullen. Nice. We got Hershey Hawkins. Dennis Johnson. Nice. For my Celtics. Patrick Ewing. Let's go. And we got a Michael Cooper for the Lakers. All right, we got Jeff Grayer. We got Dan Shays. All right, we got Sadale Threat. Larry Smith. We got Don Nelson. Very cool. We got a Robert Parrish. Dennis Johnson should be over there. We got Robert Parrish, sweet. We got Roy Hinson. We got Sam Mitchell. And that's a rookie. Nice. And we got Orlando Woldridge. Very cool. All right, third pack. Let's go. No time to waste. I'm super excited. Michael Jordan right off the bat. And that centering looks pretty good. All right, just need like 3 or 4 more. John Saley. You got Charles Oakley. Very cool. We got another Patrick Ewing. Nice. All right, we got Joe Klein. We got Tom Hammonds. All right, we got Kevin Duckworth. William Bedford. We got Fat Lever. Nice. That's such a cool name. All right, we got Quentin Daly. We got Mike Woodson. We got Dick Versace. We got AC Green. Let's go. We got Jack Haley again. We got John Long. And we got Ron Rothstein. All right, cool. Fourth pack. AC Green on the back. Let's go. All right, we got another rookie here. We got Stacey King. Very cool. Boom, baby. We got Vlade Divac, the rookie. Nice. Let's go. Put him up top. Very cool. All right, we got Buck Williams. We got Adrian Dantley. We got Moses Malone. Very cool. We got Checklist. We got Jerry Sloan. We got Jim Linham. We got Dale Ellis. Bill Cartwright. Very cool. We got Rory Sparrow. We got Clyde Drexler. Nice. We got Frank Brickowski. Sorry if I said that wrong. And we got Danny Ferry. Nice rookie. And we got AC Green. Cool. All right. I don't know what this stack is. Coaches and almost good cards. I don't know. Just having so much fun. I love retros. We had such a great time at the Dallas Card Show. I had bought some more retro packs of Skybox. I'm super excited. We got Alvin Robertson. We got another Chris Mullen. We got Glenn Rice, rookie. We got Adrian Dantley for Mavs. Tom Hammonds. We got Kurt Rambis. Nice. Jeff Grayer. Dan Shays. We got Sedale Threat. We got Mike Woodson. Dick Versace again. Robert Parrish, let's go. We got Todd Leachy. And we got another John Long. And our last one is Ron Rothstein, another coach. We're getting duplicates of the coaches. Awesome. All right. We got 4 packs left to go. Do we? No, 5 packs. Sorry about that. Boom, baby. Larry Bird right off the bat. Let's go. Centering's off a little bit, but that's all right. It's for my PC. Got another Charles Oakley. Let's go. Hersey Hawkins, sorry. Roy Tarpley with the Mavs. We got a Dennis Rodman. Let's go. Awesome. We got a Michael Cooper. Your Lakers. William Bedford. We got Fat Lever. All right, and now we got Quentin Daly again. Getting a lot of duplicates, but no duplicates of Jordan. All right, we get Derek McKee, Ricky Green, AC Green. AC's coming in hot this time. We got Chris Morris. We got Joe Wolf. And we got Mike Schmurek. All right, next pack. I'll just open all these up. So I don't have to wait. Boom, baby. We got another Dennis Rodman Player of the Year. Very nice. Let's go. Defensive Player of the Year. All right. We got Tim Hardaway, rookie. Very nice. We got Kelly Tripucka. Jim Paxson, nice for my Celtics. Matt Dacus, I guess. All right, backwards card. We got Randy Brewer, Dale Harris, Blair Rumseen. We got Johnny Newman. All right, and we got Richard Anderson. We got Gene Littles. Nice Reggie Miller. We got Bill Henslick. We got Vernon Maxwell. Billy Thompson. Isaiah Thomas, nice. We got Sherman Douglas, rookie. We got Ron Seekley. Sam Perkins for the Mavs. Let's go. We got Dan Marley. Backwards card, we got Anthony Campbell. Tony Campbell. Bill Lambier. Nice. We got Ralph Sampson. We got Nate McMillan. We got Robert Reed. Rex Chapman. Charles Barkley. Nice. All-Star East. Let's go. We got Lester Connor. And Larry Brown. Very cool. All right. Last two packs. Appreciate you guys stopping by on this Monday. Hope to see you guys tonight for our Miss Gameday will be with me. She wants to do her reveals. I'm like, very cool. I'm excited for that. All right, let's get these last packs done. Glenn Rivers. We got a Michael Adams. We got J.R. Reed. We got Del Curry. We got Terry Catledge. We got Minute Bowl. Nice. We got Brad Davis. Very cool from the Mavs. Jay Vincent. We got John Williams. Dennis Hobson. We got Kenny Gatson. Don Chaney. Tom Garrick. Stu Jackson. Oh. Got a Todd Murphy. We got Joe Dumars. We got a nice Mitch Richmond. Nice Cliff Robinson. Nice rookie right there. Rodney McCray. Regis Theus. And we got a Terry Teagle. We got a Rick Smits. Joey Barry Carroll. We got a Paul Moxie. Sorry about that. Not familiar with that name. We got a boom, baby. We got a Sean Kemp rookie card. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. All right, we got a Scott Hastings. Boom, baby. We got Larry Bird, All-Star Weekend. Let's go. Super awesome. Derek Smith, last card. Grant Long. Man, this was awesome. Part 2. We got Michael Jordan, Karl Malone, Vladdy. We got Sean Kemp. We got Larry Bird. We got Dennis Rodman. We got everybody. I'm super excited. Thank you guys for stopping by, checking out this retro rip. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys are new around here, please subscribe. And if you guys are subscribed, thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day. See you tonight. Peace.